Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the online workshop organized by SkillVeda. SkillVeda is your partner in skill development, offering a wide range of webinars, offline workshop, short-term courses, and training programs designed to help you unlock your potential and achieve your career goals. We are thrilled to have you join us for this exciting learning journey. A special welcome to our esteemed trainer, Ms. Debjani Das, a senior educator and trainer with more than 25 years of experience with a passion of upskilling teachers and students to share her knowledge and insights. Welcome, Ms. Debjani.
Thank you so much, Ms. Jen. I look forward for Skill Veda's training and workshop sessions because it also opens my insight, and a lot of learning also happens through this. It's not only a it's not a one-way traffic, it's always a both-ways traffic.
Very true.
So
Very true.
a very good evening to all of you, all the esteemed educators who are here. So we will be starting with today's topic is holistic progress card. So the HPC, which the NEP has designed and looking forward for the implementations in different schools. So there are various schools or the teachers, they're finding it little, maybe little difficult or not actually understanding the concept of it, why it is happening, and how to go about it. So, just sharing my views, and of course, I will take your views as well so that it can be a both way thing. If you can, whatever you have to say, if you can just speak it out, because for me, seeing the chat box won't be uh, possible at times. Anybody? Anything? Okay. So to start with, the difference between HPC and the traditional report card. So can anyone tell me that what is the change that has been taken place? Can anybody volunteer and tell me?
May I?
Yes, absolutely, Ruchina.
Okay, okay. So, so what I feel is that a report card is basically a reflection of the academic performance of a child, whereas the HPC takes into consideration the other aspects of his or her personality development also. So that is that includes more parameters for assessment than a normal report card. And also it includes other stakeholders like the parents and peers.
Okay. So that is the theoretical part of it. But what do you feel that the traditional report, the focus of the traditional report card and the HPC, how it has changed, and what are the areas that you feel that it has shown a lot of changes?
So that is what I'm saying, that the report card in the traditional format, it only took care of the academic performance, right?
It was
how
focused on
many
more or less on the marks.
marks, correct, academic performance. And
Yes.
here the HPC is also taking into the socio-economic, the psychometric,
Socio-emotional,
yeah,
socio-emotional
and
development,
yes,
psychometric thing.
yeah, yes,
Yeah.
correct, yes. So this is what that's the major difference that I find.
Yes, the life skills are included over here,
Correct,
and
yes.
other aspects are also there. Even the
Cognitive development, you
self-reflection.
can say cognitive, or you can
Yeah,
psychomotor development.
it's psychometric is a cognitive also, and it is like it also has the self-reflection. self-reflection. You can have your own, you can measure your own improvement, areas of improvement. And it is also preparing a child for the outside world, isn't it?
Yes.
So that there is a major difference, because what traditional report card used to have, it only used to have subject wise. The focus, main focus area, if we see the old report cards, it was the subject wise, the major subjects and the numbers, with the focus was only on the rote learning, because how well you have done your rote learning, and you have just showed it in your assessment copies, that was there. But now the whole focus has changed, not only for the rote learning, but it is giving the opportunity for a child to go for a total self assessment, what we call the 360-degree development, isn't it?
Is this like
Reshma ji,
This
please
is
mute yourself. Yeah.
So the objective of HPC is to assess 360-degree growth of the child. So when we talk about 360-degree growth, so it includes not only the academic part, but the psychomotor, the socio-emotional development, the life skills, peer handling, self-reflection, and it includes also the other stakeholders like parents. Like when we're asking the parents to assess your own child. So that is also we are taking into the consideration, and that is how the 360-degree growth of the child is actually taking place. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is also a big shift from summative to formative. And it is a continuous assessment through observations. It is not that one time half yearly exam dekh liya, okay, we have assessed. Out of 100, the child has got 95 or 60. So it is not that, but it is a continuous process of assessment. And this continuous assessment is done through a observation thing. So a teacher has to be more involved in the class in observing the children than giving marks.
बीच में खड़ा
This involves, as here it includes the student, the peers, the parents. So it is a collaborative way of seeing a child's overall development. It was not earlier what used to happen. It was only the teacher. The child is very inattentive. It hardly comes to school, not taking interest in the maths, right? But now that thing has changed. So it is not the teacher, but it is more or less a child-centric assessment system that has been involved. So isn't that this is also a very important shift from the teacher-centric to child-centric. HPC is more about, talks about child-centric, right?
Definitely.
Yes, Shitapa ma'am.
Yeah, I said definitely yes. I agree with you.
Yeah, seeing you. Good. So that is how the 360-degree and the objective of HPC is all about. So this is what is the 360-degree development. So if you can just tell me something out of this slides.
This
Anybody?
involves all these points.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
academic growth, co-curricular. This is covering all the physical, social, and mental needs of the child, where it's covering the 360 degrees.
Yes, absolutely. It's a academic, not only the
It's
academic
evaluation.
growth,
Yeah,
yeah,
academic
not only the academic
Yeah.
growth, but yes, ma'am. It includes the other parts also, co-curricular skills, the socio-emotional development, then the physical health with the well-being of mental well-being, right? Then values and life skills. This is a very important part that I feel that they have included in it, that life skills. Do you agree with
Yes.
this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neha ma'am said that each parameter is equally important now. Yes, it is equally important. All these things. And I feel that values and life skills is very important in the scenario or the situation or the current, the what should I say, that the present scenario where we are living and the societal structure, that life skills and values is very important for a child to understand. It is very, very important because somewhere or the other we have been missing out with the life skills and the values, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So
Early there
it
was
is,
a subject, ma'am, can I speak?
yes, yes.
Sorry for joining late. Yes, ma'am.
No, no, it is okay.
Early there was a subjects like moral science where we had, when we studied moral science, the stories in the moral science used to give that particular values. But now the moral values, especially in the society, when it comes to the parents also, it is lacking so much. So what they can imbibe the qualities of that, those values in their children when the parent doesn't him or herself have.
I
So
know.
the school is the one which provides that particular platform. So that is the reason we teach everything with the value-based education. We expose them practically and give those values through our teachings.
Yes, because if you see, ma'am, the evaluation, the evolvement, when we were a child or when we were into the schools, moral study was a very important part. But slowly and with time, moral study lost its importance.
Yes.
It just remained as a one book that is given from the school. They, even the kids knew that just go through before the exam and perform the assessment. So that life skills and the values were literally getting lost, and especially the parental issues are of course there, because these small teachings as the nuclear family, or you can say the more urban culture or whatever, it is affecting the moral values and the life skills. And if school starts taking active participation in this, I think we can see a lot of changes within the children. I feel that this is a very important aspect that has been included in this thing, in the HPC, and involves self, peer, and teacher assessment. So it's a collaborative assessment.
Yes.
So the key features of the 360 development, it's a continuous, comprehensive, and child-centric. So earlier it was only the exam oriented assessment used to happen, but when it is coming to 360-degree development, it is a continuous process and it is a child-centric. So it is a very another very important key feature of the 360 degree development, and focus on strength and areas of improvement. We cannot say
Yes.
the child is very poor.
Yes.
We can say that these are the areas where the child needs to work little bit more, or maybe the child, maybe the teacher, both needs to work more. So it is, as the assessment is for both, so it can be, it is both areas that needs to be taken care of.
Uh, yes.
then encourages a reflective learning. Can anyone explain me what is a reflective learning is?
May I please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So reflective learning is basically what we learn from each other. So whatever, as a teacher, whatever good or bad has happened in my class, I share it with my colleagues and peer teachers. And then we come upon a consensus of what, what went well and what can be improved. So that way we learn from each other's reflections. So that is what reflective teaching is.
Yes, absolutely. It is a reflective learning it is the learning from my peer. It can be a learning from my teachers. Even the teachers are also, taking help of their colleagues. Yes, absolutely. You're right, ma'am. So it is that 360-degree development. Yes, Swati ma'am, you wanted to tell something. Swati ma'am? Okay. So and at the end, the whole thing is it's a collaboration between the students, teachers, and the parents. Here again, it is very important that it is no more a one-way traffic. Now it takes the it considerates all these stakeholders, and the reflection is the holistic progress card. So these are the 5 dimensions that a 360-degree development is all about. And the HPC card, if you see, that's the cognitive part, which is the academic. So that is the subject knowledge. So how the subject knowledge is being taken into consideration? Critical thinking and creativity. Ma'am, can you, anyone can elaborate on this? Subject knowledge, critical thinking, creativity? I know it's a Saturday evening.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once again? Sorry.
This subject knowledge, critical thinking, and creativity. What is this all about? Like, what is the subject knowledge, critical thinking, how they are related to each other?
Ma'am, can I speak?
Somebody else who was there?
Yeah.
One by one?
Duchiji, you want to say something?
Yeah, ma'am,
Yeah.
I wanted
Yeah,
to
please.
give the answer on this.
Yeah, please.
Subject knowledge, ma'am, we can ask like it can include the listening skill, it's writing skill, speaking skill, or reading skill.
In a subject knowledge is whatever subject I'm reading, I have a total in-depth or insight about that
Insight
subject.
about the subject, yes.
Yeah, Dr. Renuka,
And
you wanted to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Subject knowledge is, I think the previous teacher who has just spoken, she might be the English teacher. She gave in her perspective. But the subject knowledge, I define subject knowledge as the depth of the subject in terms of a real life application. It's not only studying with the theory, but also with the practical exposure and application. How
how
best
to
the teacher
implement.
can think and apply and train her children also to think in the same and beyond. So
Correct,
this
ma'am.
critical thinking is when the teacher herself or himself is enriched with the subject knowledge and has the enthusiasm and inquisitiveness to search how the subject can be implemented on the real life application, then the creativity levels comes.
Correct. So critical thinking is basically the you can say the discovery, logical thinking, and the experimental way of knowing the subject, and then you are applying it to the real life so that
Yes.
you get that real life experience out of that.
That's it.
And when you are applying into the real life, what is happening? You are getting the in-depth knowledge about that particular subject. So whether it's your science or numbers or mathematics, or you can say literacy. So how you are implementing or using it in your day-to-day life, what are the experience that you are getting out of it, that is how the teacher is going to guide it. So that is the academic part. Then comes the physical, because now you need to focus on your your child's physical activity also. That is also very important. That is your mental health, your fitness, your sports participation, because now you don't have any co-curricular subjects. It's all other, they are all subjects, right? Like we used to have math, PT, then art and craft, music. So they are now all included into the major subjects. So what is your idea, or what is your thought process of that including this, how a child is getting developed?
May I, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so what I understand is because NEP and NCF both are emphasizing to a great deal on the integration of subjects, right? So for physical activities, for example, if we can, it is also emphasizing if you go through the activities that have been proposed, they say that if you can pick up one sport and if you can integrate it with any of your main subjects, for example, you're talking about EVS, right? So you can integrate any type of physical activity with the activity that you're proposing to conduct with the children. So that is also one aspect because they feel that sitting in at one place from morning till afternoon, it acts actually, it has a negative effect on your brain, right? Because you're sitting in one place, it
it is
becomes inactive.
basically breaking the monotony.
Monotony and the receptiveness of the brain also increases if you imbibe a little bit of physical activity in your daily routine activities. So this is also one aspect. Sports and fitness and everything is there, physical education as a subject is there, but they also say that you integrate physical education, music and performing arts with your mainstream subject. For
Yes.
example, in English, if you are talking about nouns, so how will you integrate music? You can just tell them to prepare a jingle on nouns, right? So this way, that is what my understanding of integration is.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely.
that
You
is
are
true.
so absolutely, you are right. You are bang on tip. It because uh it not only breaks the monotony, but I think in the long run also, if the subject interest, it helps a child from dropping out from the main education, because we have huge number of dropouts, right?
In fact, ma'am, in our schools, we do also conduct the PEC activity, in which PEC activity we correlate the subject with any sports activity. Like
Okay.
ma'am was saying, we take any one topic, noun, and we conduct the on the basis of this. Like suppose we keep the 4 boxes of noun, then we ask students to segregate. We give them some flashcards, and then we
Oh,
make some workstation and ask them to segregate this as per their types and all.
okay,
We
okay.
correlate with this. We name it as a PEC activity.
Pick activities. Okay. Okay. Yes, that is also, and that actually basically increases the interest of learning for the children. That is
Exactly.
what I'm saying. Ki, in a long run, what happens? The number of dropouts also decreases. You can streamline them through their interests. Correct. So that is how the things are. Then socio-emotional. Socio-emotional, why it is so important?
Um,
To make the child like
Madam,
sharing with others. Hannah, and then the child, how is the child participating in excursions being conducted in the school?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, 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 of
Social
course.
and emotional, this thing, when it's coming to the emotional intelligence, the child, we train the child to manage that in very tricky way at the school platform. Because tomorrow, okay, at the primary level, emotions, empathy, these things are required. But as they grow up to the higher studies, emotions don't come into the place. They look at the outcome of the result, the hard work, and the outcome. So, as they move on to the higher grades, emotional intelligence is how they manage their emotional intelligence is very important, and social, because we are the human beings, we need to interact. That social mingling and social discussions, the movement is very important, and they all need to understand the value of moving socially to get the work things done.
That is
Uh,
the teamwork. When the teamwork
yes,
is coming
teamwork. When I
into,
say yes,
yes, yes,
so
the
that has
teamwork.
to be emphasized.
Because if there is no teamwork, if the child is not learning to work in a team, then in her or
And
his real
this
life,
is
it will
this
very,
especially counts for the children who are having only one child,
yes,
because the
and in a
child is
nuclear
comes in a
family.
possessive background from home. The child can't mingle at school with the team, so we
Correct,
train
correct,
them to mingle.
correct,
So that
correct.
social moving is very important.
Yes, and as you said, Renuka ma'am, that at a point of time they need to have this emotional control.
Yes,
They need to know how to react, when to react, and what they have to also understand the consequence of their
consequence,
reactions.
pros and cons of these
The
situations, and
reactions, exactly, exactly, that is very important. So all these parameters, if we are doing it into a practical life situations, because now again coming to the HPC, it is all about the experiential learning. So whatever we are telling them, talking to them, they need to go and implement in their real life, which again is a reflection of their work in the school, right?
yes, yes, ma'am.
So artistic, then comes the artistic creative. So again, music, dance, art expression, these are also very important in collaborating with the major subjects. This also give a child a new uh, because see, music therapy is now is a very important part. uh, there are a lot of places where music therapies are being taken into consideration to see they are all interrelated.
Yes,
They're all interrelated, because again music calms down the emotions, so it controls your emotions. Then dance is also a part of your body, your energy, and it takes other aspects also, your mental calmness also comes with your. Then art and expression
sort of
is your,
thing.
art and expression is your way of imagine, increases your imaginative skills. So
Yes,
this area is also very important. Then again we already have talked about values and life skills. So it is the integrity, responsibility, respect. They need to know all these, because again that same moral stories, because that was done, the child becomes smart and wise handling the situation. Yes, absolutely. Because if the mental fitness is there, then the socio-emotional guidance is there, then the children really they become smart, and they know how to control them. And through all these, the values and life skills, I feel that values and life skills, what about you people, what are your views
हाँ
that
बोलो
values
हाँ,
and
मैं
life skills,
बोलूँ।
values and life skills, how much important they are, and including them into the HPC, do you think that it will make a difference in future?
obviously, ma'am.
So how it is the what is the impact of it?
See, we
Impact
can,
of it is
Yes, yes,
it
Shutapa ma'am.
yeah. So impact is like, many a times during our routine lessons, we often, uh, oversee these points, little things. For example, the children having an argument or a tiff in the class, right? So the teacher can use it as an anecdote and ask them to analyze what should be the right behavior, right? So this will help the children to understand and reflect upon their own actions. And if it is coming into the HPC, so the teacher will keep that in mind, that these are the parameters, these are the things that I need to observe in the children. So she will be mindful of those actions and activities and behaviors. So
And in
that
the
is how it
long
helps.
run, yeah, and in the long run, when they are going to face the real life scenario, all these learning and guidance is going to help them
Exactly, exactly. They'll
to
be able to
control
relate.
their.
No, yeah, yeah.
Yes, they will be able to relate what they have been taught or guided or learned from the school, and so that now this is time for them to implement in their real life. So for the teachers, the role of the teachers over here now increases a lot. Now, can you tell me how the role of the teachers is increasing in aspect of these?
Devjaniki, Miss Sharon Vyas is writing something in the chat box. We can read that also.
Okay.
Yeah. The child becomes smart and wise, handling the
Ha,
situations.
value
Values
shapes
shape. Please.
who we are, and life skills shape how we live, so they are important and required. Yes ma'am, they are important, and they are very much at this the current scenario which we are going through. It is very important for us to taken into consideration. But
Sharon
now
ji, you
my
can
thing is,
unmute yourself, and if you want to say
and
something,
you
you can
can
unmute
if
him.
you can speak. So
Yes.
my question is for you, like, now, what is the role of a teacher, how it has changed from earlier to when this HP is there in hand. So
ma'am,
now
can I
we know
speak?
all these. Yes, yes.
Early, the role of a teacher was only just, like lecture method, giving a lecture pertaining only to the subject, or might be giving some references in some books to go through it. But now, as it moved on, right from whenever the CC pattern has come and the CBC, especially when NEP 2020 has come, they're more into drilling. The teacher has to prepare early itself how to execute at the level of the children, and what they can put into a real life application, what is the practically activities they can do hands on the desk to make the concept understand, with added with the values, added with the skills. So
They
the
have to be
drilling is more
convinced
towards the
first.
teachers.
They have
Pardon?
to know this. They have to be convinced first. Okay,
Yes,
this is what I have to do, and this is going to help them to grow into
yes.
this. Then only they can, so now the teachers have to be much more, they have to be
Dedicated,
into the subject.
as well
They have
as
to have
technology also. How to use the
technology is,
technology.
of course, we had the session on Mavesha, the prize distribution, that how AI is helping us.
In our award,
Yes,
we had a
tech.
panel discussion on the role of
Yeah,
AI. Role of
AI,
AI.
role of AI.
Yeah.
So Sutapa ma'am was there.
Yeah.
So it was a session on AI. Of course, technology is all a part of our teachers development, but let's not make it uh,
No,
that
ma'am.
important.
Can I speak, ma'am? When
Yeah,
it
yeah,
went
sure.
from, when the shift was from the teacher centered, moved to the student centered, so the teacher has to put a lot of hard work and effort to make it very effectively and understandable at the level of the child, so that the child is very comfortable with the concept, understanding, and learning part. So when it moved from teacher centered to a student centered, lot of homework is given to the teachers more.
Yeah, because now
Sutopaji,
it
you want to
is.
say something? Sutopaji, you have raised your hand. You have any query?
Yes. No, I don't have a query. I wanted to share an observation that
Sure.
in our times, what I feel is, in our times, our teachers didn't take so much of stress that we have to teach life skills. We have to teach values because they had. Uh, I mean, it came naturally to them. They acted like a parent to us. I'm talking about my teachers. Right. But now what I see is, being a head of a school, I've seen that teachers take a lot of stress. Oh, I have to teach this also. I have to teach this also. So till the time we make it and bring it into our system, that it comes naturally to us that values are a natural part of every subject. Life skills are there in every subject. For example, something as logical as math, there is a life skill there also, right? So if I'm talking about area and perimeter and all that, and as I'm talking about a lot of other math concepts, if we can bring in small life skill stories there. For example, मुंशी प्रेमचंद का वो एक स्टोरी है ना, जिसमें अलगू was there, and it's a story about two friends. I'm forgetting the name of the story. So it is about ethics and all. So I think it was something to do with property, area, land, like that. Right. So if we can integrate such little things in every subject, I think it will become naturally to us. So I feel that a lot of teachers nowadays take a lot of stress. I have to do it. So it is
But I
an
have a
extra
small
thing.
saying on this, ma'am. I have
Hmm.
a very small thing. Like, this shift of teachers' attachment with the students, what we used to have it, and the taking of stress of teaching them the values. Don't you think that there is a huge influence of the parental change?
No, yeah, that is there. That is there. Ma'am, see, earlier also I've seen parents saying that the teachers are role models. Nowadays, nowadays teachers have to take more responsibility because the parents have shifted the responsibility onto the teachers,
Exactly,
right?
ma'am.
Because
I agree on this point. She is
yeah,
absolutely right.
so they feel that everything the teacher will do. So definitely there is a stress, extra stress on the teachers, that they are playing the role of both the parent and the teacher, right? So that shift is there. But the only thing
That's
is that
what
that only if the teachers don't take it as a extra work, right? Kabhi kabhi
it should
teachers
it should
they
it should come from the
Both
like earlier
from
it was
within, from
within,
within.
from
The
within.
Yeah,
parents are
It
working.
should be a
Most of the parents
spontaneous.
are working.
It
Yes.
should be a
yes, you
spontaneous.
all know how to do marking. You have to first give sub marks and then in a circle out of every section. So मैंने कहा yes ma'am they give like that also. So उससे कहते हैं yes ma'am they know that. So have you understood? मैंने कहा ma'am they are very intelligent. They have understood. Next point. बोल क्या रही है ये?
Okay. So absolutely correct, because this stress is should not be there. It should come from within. Like, this is a part of our observation. This is part of our teaching. Like, it's nothing extra that we are teaching. This is part of our job role. So
exactly.
again, where I feel the maybe here again that emotional, socio-emotional guidance for the teachers needs to be little bit more to be done. That's what I feel like. They need to be more groomed or equipped of handling this stress.
Yes,
This
definitely,
time,
ma'am. And
parents'
I feel,
expectations are more from the teachers because both
but
the parents are working. So everything they are
yeah,
expecting from the teachers.
Correct,
But then,
correct.
yeah, but and I feel in Devjani ma'am that we need uh, more of soft skills training for the teachers as well. Not only
Sensitization is
relate,
required.
very much required, because there is a lot of extra responsibility which is coming onto the teachers, and mentally and emotionally they need to be prepared for that.
Yes, yes. So even the teachers also needs to be groomed. They also needs to have lot of hand holding on this, because there is a huge shift, huge change from the scenario what there, because in between, like I am my education is in 80s, and I have seen the whole shift from 80s till now. There is a huge change, and in between this 80s and now, in between there was a phase when this kind of guidance or knowledge about the social emotional development, how to, was not there, I think. So due to that, maybe that gap was there, so this kind of stress has come. That's what I feel. What do you think?
No, that is there, of course. I mean, actually, the whole outlook towards education has changed, ma'am. Right. So,
Yes,
uh, that in our times, there was activities and everything. The teachers used to tell us to do it. You do it yourself. Right. But now everything has come on to the school, that you have to do everything in the school.
hmm.
Homework has to be minimum. Right. So,
Correct,
and
correct.
especially in the younger classes, in the kindergarten
The
and the
primary,
foundational
pre-primary
stage.
sections, yes.
Yeah, the foundational stage classes, grades, the teachers are more stressed because they have to manage the children. It is not easy to handle children, 3, 4 year old child. It is not easy to do it. And keeping in mind, our policies are changing, but I think the policymakers forget that our one class has around 40 students, right? And
I
managing those
agree.
40 students and maintaining records for those 40 students, it's a humongous task.
So
Humongous task.
that means there's a theory and the practical. Both are not,
Yes.
somewhere is not
Matching.
getting matched. It's not
Exactly.
matching.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
Because,
in Western
and
countries,
again, moreover, I feel that lacking of infrastructure, sorry to interrupt, lacking of infrastructure is also there.
very true, ma'am. Very true. For example, you're asking, to integrate audiovisual resources. And now there is a school in some rural urban area which doesn't have that resource, or the internet connectivity is not so good. What to do? The teacher is at a loss what to understand what she needs to do there, because she has to integrate.
I agree with you.
So
I agree with you, because today only I faced the same thing, because I went for a training to Fort William Army Public School. They like when I was telling them to have an activity based classrooms and all, so they're saying, "Ma'am, the classroom sizes are not that big." Saying that we have 35 to 40 children accommodating in one section, and tell me we cannot walk properly. How we can arrange an activity? So this
exactly.
is the thing. This is absolutely, I agree. I agree that in infrastructural issues are huge there. So they needs to be taken. That is also a very big thing. So
Hello.
yes, the benefits of 360-degree development. So of course it balance growth, not just marks. We all now know. But yes, after a lot of challenges, if we achieve this, so then only we can talk about the benefits of 360 development. It is very sweet and musical to hear all these 360-degree development. But yes, we have a lot of challenges in between on the way. The teachers needs to be sensitized. The infrastructural issues are there. Then the lack of resources are there, as Mr. Tapa ma'am said, that audiovisual. There are areas where you cannot find these audiovisual things, and how can you make that happen? I face the spatial problem. They don't have enough space to do activities. So there are a lot of challenges. So once we can overcome these challenges, then there are sweet things that can be seen. It is a balanced growth. Of course, if we really look into the 360-degree development of a child, then absolutely we can bang on that the child is going to have a balanced growth. It really builds confidence and leadership quality, because we are talking about the teamwork, we are talking about the socio-emotional support, so we are talking about the fitness. So now when all these parameters are taken care of, naturally the confidence level is of course there, the leadership quality also it grows. And when these subjects like creativity, art, music, dance, all are as taken care as a subject, we are opening lot of areas of interest for the children. So you can identify their talent and accordingly we can guide. But where I feel that, are we still ready for this?
Hello, may I say, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sure.
Ma'am, I feel that though it's a very positive and welcoming step, but I feel that implementing HPC is a bit time consuming because it requires additional teachers training also. No, we are not trained to deal and handhold for everything. And resources, lack of resources, as you also mentioned, and providing resources are costing. It is very costly and logistically also challenging. So this can lead to inconsistency and not having the proper rubrics to evaluate things can also lead to some kind of uncertainty. So we have to be very clear. We have to set little parameters for it, that this much has to be achieved. Let us not deal with all the things simultaneously, but then we go slowly and steadily and then try to achieve whatever we want.
One by one.
One by one. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, if we can have a small baby steps,
Yes.
we cannot achieve all these 360-degree parameters at one go, because we have lot of issues, like ma'am says, the stress. Shitapa ma'am said the stress and anxiety for the teachers, lack of resources, infrastructural issues, proper training and guidance of the teachers. I feel it is a mammoth issue. It's a
Yes.
huge issue.
Yeah.
Because especially, ma'am, I think in the area of the foundational years.
Yes. There's one more concern that I feel that somewhere it will lead us to have some substance, the standard that we want to maintain for them to prepare for competitive exam and international benchmarks, it will be reduced, because we are trying to indulge them in so many things where there are children, those who would be very much interested and children who would not be interested at all. So somewhere that thing we have to see that everybody at least takes minimum interest in those things, and we also do not lack on our academic level also, because that is one big responsibility that we have to deal actually with.
Correct. You are right. Absolutely, you are right. So, keeping all these in mind, let's see how we can achieve it, because 360-degree development or HPC report card is really, it has its own benefits, I feel. But of course, if we can overcome these challenges, it strengthens the teacher-student-parent partnership. I feel that it is very much true. What is your opinion to it? I'll come back. Prepares children for life beyond classroom. Yes. Again, I tell you, when we are teaching them the life skills, the values, and the implementation of these into their real life, I think you are preparing the children beyond the classroom. Someone has said that the children have become very aggressive.
Yeah,
nowadays.
Poonam ji was writing in the chat box.
Yes. So yes, I agree to it that the children are much more aggressive. Their patience level has just gone down. But yes, I think at the same time, if we start dealing with all these, because now the teachers cannot only be just grading them or marking them. I feel they need to be more sensitive, more, that's what Shutapa ma'am also said, that they need to connect with the children more. That connectivity somewhere I feel has gone, absolutely gone at a toss. That connectivity is not there.
Yeah,
So
we've
when it
become
is
very
coming,
mechanical.
very
We've become
mechanical,
mechanical.
yes.
The
Yes,
effect of social
early,
media is there. What I feel is social media is playing a very important role in this disconnection between teachers and parents
and
and the
I
students.
also feel, Twinkle ma'am, I am facing, in especially in the eastern part, I've been traveling extensively for quite some times, and what I have gathered, and I faced it in my own school also, like the parental, even the parents, they are not letting the kids to expose to these challenges.
They are very pampered now. Actually, now kids,
They
they
are
are
being,
very
they are
pampered.
protecting them
Yes, yes,
socially, emotionally, physically.
physically.
Like I have a sports academy where the football is being practiced. One child took admission. The mother is saying, please put a mask when you are taking the child for. Can you imagine putting a mask and taking the child for football practice? How it is possible? So you are not letting the child to grow with the. Yes, Shutapa ma'am. So you won't believe that I was speechless. When the coach, he called me and said that, ma'am, she's telling me to put a mask and to take the child to the ground. I said, what is this happening? No, he is allergic to dust. Are Baba, let the child play. Then only this allergy, you cannot take the child out of it. And more or
Very
less,
true.
this
Very true.
we cannot, there are a lot of things. Interactions are also missing, as this generation is different than
Sharon
ours.
ji and Poonam ji, please unmute yourself. It's a chat box में देवजानी ji can't
हाँ,
see.
हाँ, मेरा difficult हो जाता है. But
Okay,
yes,
hi, Manisha ma'am, good evening.
good
Yeah,
evening, good
Poonam
evening.
ji. Yeah.
After a long time, I have joined the seminar.
Yeah, exactly. I was
Okay.
surprised to see your name. Where was you?
Yeah, actually, due to
My,
some
my
busy
honor.
schedule. Yeah, yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. And ma'am,
Yes,
nowadays the students are very, very relaxant. They don't want to listen anything actually. And the students are more pampered. Actually, I'm talking about the age of 4 to 5 years. And the parents are so aggressive. They don't want to actually adapt the things, going on. They don't want to know about the disqualities of the children because they are too small.
They will
They
blame
feel
the
that,
teacher and the school only. Wo,
yeah,
that is there.
and
yeah,
वो भी बच्चे के सामने.
Yes, exactly. That's
exactly,
why kids
exactly.
don't respect their teachers nowadays.
Yeah, because at home, the parents are talking very different about the teachers,
Yes,
and
yes.
so they don't respect the teachers actually, basically. And if you say ki, what about my teachers? I respect them today also because she is my teacher. But
Absolutely.
now students, they don't listen,
They don't,
and
they
they
take
want
their
to,
name and we still, if we talk about our teachers, we say this ma'am, that ma'am was
yeah,
teaching
yeah,
maths.
yeah. But nowadays they are not. No,
Yes.
not at all.
Absolutely,
And even
that
the
respect is
parents
gone.
are more into the social media, and a lot of things they show into the like the students to on mobiles, on TVs, so they don't want to even learn more new things. What I'm
I'll
seeing,
just tell you, give you one example, ma'am.
sure,
Uh,
sure, ma'am.
in my school, I have a daycare. Okay. So one girl is there. She's in class 2 in South Point. South Point is one of the biggest school in Kolkata. So what she was doing, she was not listening to her mother for last 1 or 1.5 months. She was disturbing her mother a lot. Then she came up to me and said, so I was talking with her, and came out that during the tiffin hours, they were playing Truth and Dare. Can you imagine the kids of class 2 playing Truth and Dare, where she has been given a dare of not listening to her mother till the end of 2025?
Oh, ho, ho. Very bad.
Yes. And she also in return gave the same dare to that boy. Now it has become a challenge. Who can stick to
Do
this
it more
till
and more
how long?
precisely. Who can do it
Yeah.
more
Exactly.
precisely?
More precisely, more aggressively.
Yes.
And this is how, so from where they are learning this truth and dare and all these things. And another boy of class 1, the girl was not studying. So the mother said that, why you are not studying? This is my own relative. So the girl said that, why will I study? Going to get married to Agne. So after marriage, what is there to study much? So
Oh my
class
God. At
1,
such an early age. Oh.
1. And then that lady called Agnes' mother and said, Ki, what is happening? So Agnes' mother made the child understand that go and tell your friend that we are too young to talk about this. Once we grow up, then we will decide. After half an hour, the boy comes and say, you all only told me not to break the promise, and I have promised her that I'm going to marry her. How can I break?
Ma'am, you
So
know, these social get-togethers have actually spoiled the students.
exactly, this is
Because
what with the
parents
discussion.
are going to the kitty parties, dance parties. They are smoking in the front of young children. They are having the drinks, hard drinks over there. So matlab, that impact
Moreover,
goes so bad.
yeah, Poonam ma'am, and moreover,
Yeah,
there was a hedge in between us and
yeah,
our parents. So there is no
yeah,
hedge
definitely.
now. There
No,
is no
bilkul
hedge.
nahi,
So
bilkul nahi. Yeah,
yeah,
No.
they
true,
are
very
fighting in front of the children. They are saying
In
students.
what
a
Yeah,
not to each
very
other.
nasty way. In a very nasty
yeah.
way,
Exactly.
they are fighting.
And they are, moreover, they are using abusive languages also, the parents,
Yes.
in
They
front
are
of
So
the kids.
naturally, the children
child
of
is using.
3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you will see so much of aggression in them.
Yeah, definitely.
Forget about teens. Forget about
Hmm.
teens. It is
And
now that they have become.
when they are becoming in the teenagers, they are some different sort of a children, you know?
Yes, they
Hmm.
are clueless basically emotionally. That's what I felt.
Yeah, 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 definitely.
And it is
Nowadays, the
painful to
emotions
see
are
them.
not there. Yeah,
No, it's not there. That is
yeah.
what I feel, that instilling this life skills and values in schools and giving it a little bit of more importance, I feel this is at least going to help. Not maybe not today, but by next 2, 3, 4 years, it's really going to help. Because any which ways, it is not going to come from the home. So
So
we
that
need
is
to
Ma'am, can I
why,
say
understand.
ma'am,
something?
Yes, yes,
parental
Yes,
yes, yes,
involvement
ma'am.
is
Renuka.
very, very important.
Ma'am,
Yes, absolutely. Renuka ma'am, yes, ma'am.
yeah, the problem is the basically the society where the parents and we are moving, the children are moving, and the parent should also understand the ethical reasons, the values, and train the children accordingly. And that is lacking itself in the parents. That is the reason why during the parent orientation, when I say values and life skills, that has to be more to the parents than children first, because they are the ones who should know how to tune their children. So when all this are
It's
lacking, because
lacking
people
there.
got used to the comfortable zone of living, getting things on a easy platforms, so they are training their children also in that way. So that is the reason the child, when it comes to hard work, the ones who have a passion or who have a certain vision to do something, they do hard work. But the rest of the other things, how things can be get easily done. So the values
The,
are itself are
the
lacking
shortcut
in the
methods.
society. Yeah,
Shortcut
with the
methods.
within the
Ma'am,
parent. And
nowadays the
in
children,
this
sorry.
regard, where is the see? It is reflecting the problem-solving skills. This is what I keep on emphasis. As the head of the school, I always train my teachers to give the problem-solving solutions to this thing. Because if you are not only in the subject but also in the real life, suppose if the person is being
Yes.
exposed to all the time success, once a failure comes in their life, they cannot
Very
handle the
difficult.
situation.
They cannot handle. They
Yes.
cannot handle.
So this ultimately, have the loopholes or hindrances in the problem solving skills, ma'am.
Absolutely. Because the expectation that the parents set
Yes.
for that particular child is so high that once they just fail to touch that, it really gets into the
But
child's mind.
parents are also not realizing that, ma'am. They are
No,
always
no.
trying to pamper, take care. But am I giving some challenges or a hardcore platforms to my son to be independent, or to my daughter to be independent and explore on it? If they think in that way, definitely these problems never come. There won't be any
Never will
cribbing,
come.
there won't be
There
any
won't be.
complaining on the teachers, there
So
won't be
what
any
I feel
issues with the
that
principal.
before instilling this life skills and values in the children and the teachers, the parents should be sensitized.
Yes. So especially in the orientations, especially I talk about this.
Correct.
I
Twinkle
am
ma'am,
on
Janiji
these life skills.
and Dr.
Huh.
Renuka,
Twinkle ma'am, there is
I just want to know one thing. We are talking about parents. Is the whole fault is of parents only? Do kids
No,
listen to their
ma'am, even
parents?
the society
no,
also,
no,
they
no, no,
learn by
ma'am,
peer
ma'am.
Do kids
learning.
listen?
I-
I
may-
don't
may-
feel
may-
so. Nowadays, kids are listening to parents also.
may I
What
say
do you
Parents
something?
say?
are listening to kids,
Because
ma'am.
again
Kids are not
Twinkle
listening
ma'am,
to parents. Kids are
May I,
only parents
may
are
I,
Chef,
listening to kids.
Because
may,
you
may I
can't
say
blame.
something?
We can't say parents are doing everything. Parents are doing
But
this
it's the
thing.
parents' duty also to correct, ma'am, where
It's
it
the
comes.
duty of the
It
parents,
comes
but
from the home.
does
It
kids
comes
listen
from
to
the
their
constant
parents?
monitoring.
No,
Twinkle,
You
that
must
is
be a you must be a
Twinkle ma'am,
mother. Are our
that
kids
is where the
listening to
problem
us?
is. That is where the problem lies, that we are
no,
not
the
able to
problem
make
lies,
the
you know
children,
where. Listen,
Because
that we are
nowadays
not
kids are
able,
listening to their friends. They are listening
we
to
are not
social
Yes, that is
media.
that's
true.
what I'm saying.
yeah.
They're more influenced by their
वही
peer.
तो parents doesn't
So,
want कि मेरा बच्चा बुरा बने. No parent want this
नहीं,
thing.
exactly.
यहाँ पर एक बात है कि
But parent can
Uh,
control that, no, ma'am.
Wait,
No,
Dr.
No
Renuka,
not
parent
you
can
control
yourself
it.
as
their
a parent,
children.
you must be a
But
parent.
to
Is your kid
Twinkle,
listen to you? I just want to know
Twinkle
this
ma'am,
thing.
मेरे kids
My
तो
Twinkle
दादा
बड़े
ma'am,
चले
हैं।
गए,
listen to
दादा
me,
फिर
ma'am.
गन्नू के यहाँ रहेंगे।
Twinkle ma'am, I want to say something
दादा
here.
नहीं आएंगे, गन्नू के यहाँ चले गए।
Manoj ji,
Mano,
can you
I
mute
think
तुमने
yourself,
दादा को
please?
भगा दिया था ना, आओ
Manoj
करके
ji,
क्या कर रहे थे दादा पे जब दादा खेल रहे थे तो?
I can mute.
You can mute.
So, Twinkle ma'am, I want to say here that
yeah.
why children are not listening to parents is that we have not been able to change our outlook as a parent, right?
That
So,
is correct.
like the
आता है।
role of the teacher is changing, same way the role of the parent is also changing.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
we have
But we
to
can't
move
blame
with the
everything on
time.
the parent now. Because
No,
of
no, we
parent,
can't.
the child is like this.
No, we can't, but we can train the parents to
Yes.
move with time.
Correct.
अगर हम ये
Because-
सोचे कि मैं जो बोलूं मेरा बच्चा वो सुने एकदम, so that is not the right way now, because children are into a lot of things. So we have to be friends with them. We have to go with them. What reels they are watching, like I do it with my daughter. You know, मेरे को लगा कि वो थोड़ा सा
We need to
मेरी
be
बात नहीं सुन
balanced.
रही है.
We need to be balanced.
So
Somewhere we
I
have to be
started
definitely.
balanced.
As a parent, we need to be balanced. But
Balanced,
how to
but the
balance the
problem
kid?
is,
That is a problem.
I
na.
agree with Twinkle ma'am. ये बात क्या हो रहा है कि मेरे friend के पास 2 tab है. I'm having 1 tab.
Exactly. This is there, and this is there in the school, in the friend
So-
circle.
So
Ma'am,
that again, Twinkle ma'am.
मैम
Yeah,
Yes,
Virendra
yes,
ji.
Virendra sir.
Yeah.
मेरा ये मानना है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये प्रॉब्लम घर से ही शुरू होती है। बचपन से जब हम बच्चे को ओवर पैम्पर करते हैं और हम ये दिखाते हैं कि हमारे पास सब कुछ है और उसकी हर जिद हर इच्छा पूरी करते हैं, उसके सामने बाहर वालों को बुरा बोलते हैं, सबको बुरा बोलते हैं, तो जब बचपन से ही बच्चे में इस तरह के संस्कार डाले जाते हैं और उसके बाद माँ बाप खुद रोते हैं कि बच्चा मेरी नहीं सुनता, तो सुनेगा कैसे जब माँ बाप ने उसे इस काबिल ही नहीं बनाया कि वो सुने।
सर एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये है कि पहले ना हमारे पेरेंट्स सबसे बात करते थे. हाँ, लाइक दे यूज्ड टू टेल
पहले
स्टोरी.
सुप्तोपा जी, पहले हम
This,
सुनते थे अपने
that.
पेरेंट्स की,
नहीं
इसलिए
नहीं
वो
मैम,
बात
आजकल
करते
के
थे।
बच्चे पेरेंट्स की नहीं
no
सुनते
मैम,
हैं
आजकल पेरेंट्स के बच्चे नहीं
I
सुनते
don't-
हैं, दैट इज
I
देयर।
don't
क्योंकि
agree
उनके
with-
अंदर
no,
इतनी
I
कैपेसिटी नहीं
beg-
है कि वो सुने
I
इस चीज
beg to
को।
differ. I beg to differ. यहाँ पे हमें टाइम निकालना पड़ता है बच्चों के लिए. बिकॉज अगर आप किसी बच्चे से बात करें ना, वो बोलेंगे मम्मी तो बिजी रहती है अपने काम में, पापा ऑफिस रहते हैं, मेरे पास किसी के लिए टाइम.
Exactly, this is the thing कि we don't have
So
time
that
for
is-
our children.
That is what I'm saying, that we have to sit with our children, talk to them. what happened in your school. We have to take interest in their life और अपनी लाइफ से निकल के थोड़ा सा उनके साथ हम बात करें. And I've tried this with my children in the school. I talk to them. I used to talk to them. कोई अगर behavior issues होते थे ना, I used to talk to them कि बेटा क्या problem है.
Yes. Nee,
Right?
what I
It's not.
feel like the problem with the parent is not only with the parent, but it is like the society is that it is a kind of a vicious circle. एक बच्चा किया तो दूसरों को भी करना है, so it is a peer pressure. Then again, it is a ultimately, if you see Twinkle ma'am, it is going around with the parent only. बिकॉज एक पेरेंट के ऊपर, क्योंकि जब तक बच्चे, अगर आप सपोज आप मानो कि एक स्कूल से बच्चे को ले जा रहा है यूरोप टूर, तो मेरे बच्चे को आई कैन नॉट अफोर्ड एवरी टाइम टू लेट हर गो टू दोस काइंड ऑफ ट्रिप. एंड नाउ व्हाट इज माय चाइल्ड इज बिकमिंग रेबेलियस कि उसके बच्चा फिर भर्ती क्यों किया इस स्कूल में, ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों किया, अगर आप अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो तो क्यों पैदा किया. दिस इज कमिंग टू दिस, मतलब इतना टॉपिक तक आ जा रहा है. सो नेचुरली
वही है ना देवयानी मैम, वी शुड नॉट टेक, आई मीन ये हमको बहुत ज्यादा ऑफेंस के हिसाब से नहीं लेना चाहिए. द चाइल्ड इज सेइंग पैदा क्यों किया.
yes, now here we have to sit with them.
Exactly, this is what
because self counseling, I feel taking them to a outside counselor, it is better to talk with your child, sit with the child, know their problem, know, because really we as a parent, we
Ma'am,
don't have that patience.
हम सब लोग टीचर, हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं पेरेंट्स भी हैं. और आज मैं सारी टीचर कम्युनिटी से पूछता हूं कि हम लोग पेरेंट्स पे ये चीजें थोपते हैं कि आप अपने बच्चों से बैठकर बात नहीं करते. हाँ, पेरेंट्स नहीं करते. हम लोग एज ए पेरेंट अपने बच्चों से कितनी बात करते हैं. हम टीचर्स, हम अपने आप भी तो अपने आप को रख के सोचें, हम भी तो उसी पेरेंट्स कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा हैं. जाहिर है कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज हम पर भी लागू होती है.
बिल्कुल
क्यों नहीं होगा, because we are not out of the community.
Yes,
we are not out of the community. We are not out of the community. So we are part of it.
Ask something?
Yes, Reena ji. Ask them. We are having a good session.
HPC.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, what I feel personally is having a single child. That is the main problem, because उनके पास बिल्कुल भी किसी को सहन करने की शक्ति नहीं है. घर में कोई सिबलिंग नहीं है, जो चाहिए इमीडिएटली मिल जा रहा है, तो कंपटीशन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं बच्चे.
And moreover, they don't want to,
उनको सब कुछ मिल जा रहा है, इजीली अवेलेबल हो रही है चीजें.
The value of material, they're becoming more materialistic rather.
Yes, very true.
They're becoming more materialistic. So
and
because
they have no
they
emotions
are not
for anyone.
हाँ, because
everything
जब
is
ज्यादा
material.
materialistic हो जाता है ना, तो automatically the emotional level goes down, because they only they know what to get and what to take.
क्योंकि उनको यही सुनता है ना. Like for example, when they are at home, हम हमेशा यही बात करते हैं कि ये इसकी प्राइस इतनी बढ़ गई है, now we will not be able to afford it. ये हमारी मतलब वो नेसेसिटीज पे भी आ जाता है कभी कभी ना. So they hear these discussions and in their mind they frame that idea that money is everything.
Money is everything. Correct. Absolutely correct.
And ma'am, I have a point. Like the students, they don't want to share their belongings to anyone. Like even if they are sharing fruit, तो वो बोलते हैं,
no, because it is being not taught.
Yeah,
See,
because these moral values are less.
एक बच्चे के टिफिन में मेरा पेरेंट कंप्लेन किया कि मैम आई हैव नॉट गिवन माय बच्चा एनी मैगी और नूडल्स, लेकिन उसके टिफिन में एक स्ट्रिक आया था नूडल्स का. सो कहाँ से आया वो तो नहीं. सो दे मे हैव शेयर्ड इट. तब जाके पेरेंट्स इज सेइंग नो, वी डोंट वांट. सो देयर समवेयर और द अदर अगेन द पेरेंट इज आल्सो नॉट अलाउइंग द चिल्ड्रन टू learn this, but they are complaining in the long run that they don't learn sharing and caring. And again, as Reena ma'am, I don't know who said that single child is also one of the reason for this. But what to do? You cannot
ma'am,
but even if you have a single child, you can teach the children.
Ma'am, I have a single child.
I also have a single child and I'm a single
I have
parent.
3. But ऐसा नहीं है.
I am a
मैम देखिए, अगर मैं कहूँ
he is a 28-year-old right now in Canada.
तो
ऐसा
शायद
कुछ
ये
नहीं है,
रीजन
बहुत
बहुत कम है।
नहीं, it's not about being single child. How you are
हाँ,
dealing with the single
क्योंकि
child, that is the
Yeah.
question, right?
भले से चाइल्ड
Exactly.
सिंगल हो,
What
लेकिन ये
values
चीज
you're
कैसे अपने
पेरेंट्स के
बच्चे को
ऊपर निर्भर
संस्कार
करती है कि
परवरिश
वो
कैसे
चाइल्ड को
करते हैं
डील
उसकी।
कैसे
कैसे
करते हैं।
करते हैं? Absolutely.
We will be keeping a
Absolutely.
वो
webinar
उसमें
on
संस्कार
parenting
कैसे
now.
डालते हैं, ये चीज पेरेंट्स पर निर्भर करती है,
No,
भले से
because this is
चाइल्ड
a very
सिंगल है।
interesting topic.
Being
Ah,
single
Because
child,
I
we will
was-
be keeping
parents
a
are not
webinar on
giving time.
parenting. Don't worry.
Both
Yes,
are
yes,
working.
Twinkle ma'am, I was about to suggest that, but please keep a webinar on parenting
Yeah,
also.
definitely. We all are interested more in parenting than HPC format.
the HPC actually, you know what, ma'am? HPC reflects the social and emotional life also. Because हम
both
लोग
are
का जो
equally
HPC
needed.
HPC जैसे बनाया, ये बनाया ही ऐसे करके कि जब तक आप एक बच्चे को अच्छे से नहीं जानते हो, इट्स टोटल द ओवरऑल उसका इमोशनल, उसका
Holistic development
सोशल
of a child. Yeah.
पूरा नहीं जानते हो ना, then HPC you will not be able to justify the HPC. So HPC को justify करने के लिए this is a very important area of discussion. So
Yes.
आपको एक next रखना है parenting के लिए।
एक सुतोबा जी कह रही है स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट पे, तो डेफिनेट
हाँ, please
That is
get
the
मैम
even
meaning
I
ये
of
want
time.
to
ये ट्रेनिंग तो
Ma'am,
टीचर्स को भी देनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज
ma'am,
टीचर्स आर नॉट
ये
इंटरेस्टेड
ma'am,
इन नोइंग ऑफ देयर स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास।
वेरी ट्रू वीरेंद्र जी,
exactly.
correct,
वेरी
Twinkle
that
ma'am,
is what.
या
और ये
Twinkle ma'am, ये
प्रॉब्लम बीइंग
तो
ए
आप यहीं पे
प्रिंसिपल हम
पोल ले
सबको
लो।
समझ में आता है कि टीचर्स भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, मेरा टीचर इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है अपने बच्चों को जानने में।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली।
नहीं, और जब तक नहीं जानेंगे ना, you cannot do
how
justification with the
how you
HPC.
can deal with all the problems related to the students unless or until you don't know them.
You
Yeah.
वेरी
don't know
ट्रू,
them.
वेरी ट्रू।
And then how will you do the justification with the HPC? Because HPC is talking about less about the subject matter, but more about all these.
Twinkle ma'am,
So
आप
the-
ना स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट का यहीं पे एक पोल ले लो।
But ma'am, I feel to implement it, are we ready to cut short of on academic parts?
You don't need to cut short. You don't need to
we
cut
need-
short.
I mean, balancing everything doesn't become too much of stress for the teachers also.
Ma'am, actually the thing is, if you look at the HPC, it is a continuous process. It doesn't say that you have to fill it at once, at one go. The most important thing is that I think Devjani ma'am will come to it later on, that you have to study the HPC first. What all pointers are there, and you have to
Absolutely.
keep that in mind when you are
Absolutely.
conducting the class every day. You don't have to specially stick
So
with the HPC.
before dealing with the HPC,
देवजानी
the
जी, just
teachers
a minute.
needs to be. हाँ.
सीमा जी, we will lessen your stress. हम Skill Veda is providing HPC format and HPC report card. You can contact us to lessen your burden.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, one thing I want to add, like
Yeah,
nowadays, more of activities, the things for social medias are becoming more aggressively, right? And the education part is, moral value part is less. What do you say?
Very true, Poonam ji. 100%.
Absolutely.
100%.
No,
That is
Because
what where
because
these
all
life
the
skills and
schools,
values.
yeah, all the schools, they want to give the news to the social media on Facebook, on Instagram. So more or the parents are also involved
a
in that thing
marketing.
only. Yeah, it's a
Poonam ji,
basically it's a marketing, right?
Branding,
It's
yeah.
a marketing
Marketing
tool.
and
They're
branding.
using
You can-
them as a marketing tools.
Yeah, and
Like
the less
I
of education, life skills, moral values, they are becoming lesser than that.
no,
But
Poonam
if
ma'am,
if it goes lesser, then you cannot justify with the HPC
I
properly.
I disagree here, ma'am. The
But,
thing is
please
that
correct me then.
I see Twinkle ma'am's post, like she conducts activities in her classroom. I don't think that is made for the social media. If you're teaching it has to come naturally. Whatever activities you are conducting in the classroom for your children, for their learning, you just film that. You don't have to go for the finesse of the video. You just, for example, I used to conduct a lot of activities in my school. Like the teachers came to me, ma'am, activities हम कराएंगे तो हम पढ़ाएंगे कब? हाँ, हमको फिर वो फिल्म भी करनी होती है, ये भी करना होता है। मैंने कहा नो, You brief the children first. What is suppose instructions हम कहते हैं ना कि instructions clear दे दो आप activity जैसे आप चाहते हो आप कराओ, उसी को film करो and उसी को post करो. Let there be mistakes. That's all right.
No,
आपको
ma'am,
कोई
somewhere you are
See,
also not getting it.
Yeah,
Somewhere or the
even
other,
I
what
have disagreed with this.
Poonam ma'am said that the schools now focuses more on doing
Promotion and branding.
marketing,
Yeah,
that is what I'm
branding,
Ma'am,
saying,
very
ma'am.
true.
That
yes.
is that is
yes.
what I'm saying, that you don't have to do it separately. This
But they
is the
are doing
solution.
it. There are
They are more
Listen,
focused
there are
on branding and
schools,
promotion.
they're
Rather,
specifically they are
For
doing it just
see,
to put that in the
Vaidehi
social
ma'am,
media
for
rather than
example,
teaching them.
Just to
no,
get the
And also become a
attraction.
competition among the schools.
no, because I
Yeah,
have
very true.
conducted
The
this.
competition is too much.
That is fine.
Nowadays, the
Competition
competition
is
level is high.
When the
that is fine.
teachers come to school and then at first they click their selfie, so how can the condition be improved?
how
अगर
can
एक
they
टीचर
teach
से कहिए कि
students
आपको
not to
क्लास
use
में
mobile?
एक टीचर से
Well
कहिए
done,
कि आपको क्लास में एक
Virender
एक्टिविटी
sir.
करानी है,
Well
तो
done.
आजकल के टीचर के लिए विदाउट मोबाइल एक्टिविटी इम्पॉसिबल है. वो कहते हैं सब कैसे कराएं, मोबाइल तो है ही नहीं. उनसे कहिए
Exactly.
कोई वर्कशीट करा दीजिए, सब मोबाइल लेने दीजिए, उसके बिना कैसे होगा? अरे जब मोबाइल नहीं था तो पढ़ाई नहीं होती थी क्या? एक्टिविटीज नहीं होती थी
This
क्या?
is what
Sir,
I'm saying. कि
sir,
you
उस time
let
पे
Mobile is required
आंखें,
only for the recording purpose. When you are
sir,
performing
उस
an
time
activity,
पे
at that
eyes
time only it
पर,
is required.
Poonam ma'am and Reena ma'am,
yeah,
I have done this in my school. My
okay.
directors used to tell me that we need a post for social media. I said, fine, I will give it to you every day. Every day I'm conducting activities in my school because कुछ ना कुछ activities, कुछ KG के बच्चे कुछ math की activity हो रही है, कुछ English की activity, that is a regular part of their curriculum. I used to film those and post it on Facebook. मेरे को
Ma'am, agreed,
specially
but that is
नहीं
only
करना
for
होता था.
a few minutes or one period, but not the rest of the day.
No, rest of the day, every class
But
is having
ma'am,
some or the other
nowadays,
activity. See,
ma'am,
I'm telling you,
nowadays,
KG,
the people
maybe
are,
nursery. I'll tell you, Poonam ma'am. Some
yeah,
हो सकता है कि नर्सरी क्लास में आपकी कोई एक्टिविटी हो रही है, केजी क्लास में आपकी कोई डिफरेंट एक्टिविटी हो रही है एट अ डिफरेंट टाइम ऑफ द डे, क्लास 1 में आपकी कोई एक्टिविटी हो रही है एट अ डिफरेंट टाइम ऑफ द डे एंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी. से समवेयर आपका पब्लिक स्पीकिंग हो रहा है, से समवेयर कोई मैथ की एक्टिविटी हो रही है, कोई एक्टिविटी आपकी सोशल साइंस की हो रही है. यू कनेक्ट
Experiments.
ऑल ऑफ देम. या यू कनेक्ट ऑल ऑफ देम एंड देन डू इट. हाँ, कभी कभार आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडमिशंस के टाइम पे हाँ आपको स्पेशल मार्केटिंग के लिए करना होता है, तो जो आपने एक्टिविटीज ऑलरेडी क्लास में कराई हुई हैं, जो ऑलरेडी बच्चे ट्रेंड है उस पे, आप उसी को थोड़ा सा रिफाइन करके कुछ बच्चे लेके आप उसको प्रेजेंट कर दीजिए. बट तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट मार्केटिंग के साथ इसका कोई रिलेशन है. जहां आप उसको इसके साथ
So
रिलेट
Tappa
करना
ma'am, you
शुरू
are
करोगे.
again. I will just want to interrupt you a little bit because this is maybe your philosophy or what you practice, but most of the schools or many schools they
Ma'am,
really don't do that. They
no,
just
that
do few activities only to do the branding and promoting instead of teaching the implementing them in the
so then
classroom in a
that is
real
the
life.
that the teacher needs to speak to the
Somewhere even maybe it's not always possible, ma'am. It's not always possible. There are rigid management which they really don't want to give
मैम ट्विंकल मैम आपके लिए एक और इसका सब्जेक्ट मैटर आ गया, दैट इज ट्रेनिंग द
how to
लीडर्स
deal
ऑफ
with
द
the
स्कूल.
management,
How
how to
no
deal with the
training,
manage.
no training the leaders of the school, because they are the people who are
Sutapa ji,
supposed to
we are having a school in Meerut. Preschool
Ma'am,
has
how
all,
to deal
all
with the
you know.
management is out of syllabus topic.
So we are doing activities and we are posting it also on social
yes,
media, but not
that
for
is what I'm
branding
saying.
promotion. It's a second thing.
That
But we want to make parents aware ki what we are doing exactly with the kids we are having.
this
They are
is
having a
Inside
good
the
exactly what
time.
I'm
classroom,
saying.
Yes,
inside
they
the
are having a
classroom,
good
what is
time in the
happening?
Yes.
classroom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Actually,
So
that should be the thing. The
so
like
that is what I'm saying, because she's a very aware leader of the school. That is why she's able to understand and connect the points.
exactly. That is why, but all the things are, all schools are, don't think the same way. That
But
is where
generally,
my
most progressive schools
We
do.
will be keeping this topic next again. अभी HPC पे
next again.
concentrate करें.
HPC से थोड़ा हम लोग हट गए. So what I believe that the classroom, if this only to justify the HPC, you need to understand HPC properly. You have to sensitize the teachers properly, and if they are well prepared ahead of time, then I think all these parameters can be taken care of. Especially you have to be like, as a teacher, you have to be a little bit more observant than looking into the teaching part. So how the format goes is, this is the format, how it is, like what are the areas and the parameters it covers. It is the academic progress, then co-scholastic progress with the personal and social qualities, which includes empathy, leadership, discipline, then self-assessment by student, peer feedback and parent feedback. Then last comes the teacher's observation and guidance. So if this is the format, and if this accordingly happens in the classroom and the teachers are sensitized and they are given the hands-on experience, because HPC first, a teacher needs to understand thoroughly, as Uttapa ma'am said, they need to go through that properly. Then only they can do a justification to this card. Because it is not only about the progress of the child's academic, but it gives a lead to a whole overall development, like how it is indicators. The language reads fluently, expresses creatively. Maths applies the concept to real life. So then again here, when you are writing applies concept to the real life, you need to have an observation on the activities or the experiential learning. Then only you can justify to this parameter. Again, for the science, maths, all, they are how curious the child is. How will you see that? So it is a long-term assessment, observations. Then art, social skills. So social skills, again, where you are instilling them with the values, the life skills, where they are working in the group, respecting diversity, they can adjust in the, again, one thing, how well they're adapting to the new situation. So that is when they are coming out of, taking the kids out of their comfort zone, throwing into them in the real life situation, and to see that how they are coping up with that. So that is again a task to be done. Use observation, anecdotal records, rubrics. So how many schools you are following the rubric method? Any one of you are following rubric?
There in the HPC only, I think, ma'am.
We are also using HPC, holistical.
Okay. No, rubric
HPC, you are
method
talking
of
HPC. What is rubrics?
no, rubric is the method of grading the child.
Grading. So it is there only. We are supposed to use
How
grades only.
you are grading, how you follow the numbers, alphabetical
is
grades,
depending-
or the
yeah.
rubric grading.
Okay.
See,
Ma'am,
rubric
we
is
had a
ru-
training on rubrics, and maybe from next session we will be also using the same.
Yes,
No,
rubric
we-
is a method of grading the child,
yes,
not the
yes,
numbers.
but
Ma'am, we
No,
follow
no.
in different subjects and we give grades to the students
Correct,
regarding their
correct.
abilities.
Okay,
Correct.
okay.
And then
Okay.
you have a certain range of marks also, where you put a certain grade. You
Yeah,
are not
according
supposed
to
to
the
disclose the
numbers,
marks.
you put the
Yes.
grades.
Grades.
Yes,
Correct.
yes, yeah. So it is a descriptive feedback. So now again, the teachers will say that, as Virendra sir said, that how many teachers know their children properly. That is a big thing, because knowing your child is very important. Unless and until you know each of your child properly, you will never be able to justify this. You will never be able to. Encourage self-reflection among learners. conduct portfolio-based assessments. Again, the teacher will say, oh my God, we cannot do this. It's a huge task. Basically, it's
Ma'am,
not a huge
actually,
task.
ma'am, as we have holistical this report card earlier in with us, so we used to sometimes analyze the child according to that only, so that we'll be able to fill this in the report card.
It becomes easier. If it becomes
Yeah,
easier
it
for
becomes
you.
easier. Yeah. Like
Yeah,
in
that is
sports,
what.
there
If
are
you
so
have a
many.
portfolio properly, then
Yeah.
you can feel these parameters quite fast.
Yeah, exactly, ma'am, exactly.
So the benefits of this is reduces exam stress, tracks progress, not just performance, supports all these very sweet and sugary things, but you all know that how difficult to reach this. But yes, again, for the benefit of the children, as an educator, we have to reach to this. We have to come to this. I'll ask you few things. I think you have been given a sheet.
Activity sheet.
Activity sheet. What is the primary goal of a holistic progress card?
Excuse me, ma'am, can't find that activity sheet. Where have you shared it?
I have shared in the group, Seema ji. I think you have joined late, but still I have shared many times in the group.
This is the all-round development of the child, ma'am.
B. B is it?
Whether to evaluate the academic achievement, to assess cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains, to rank students, or to compare institutions.
B, option
I
B
give-
is the right
Cognitive,
answer.
psychomotor, and
Yes, the B.
Yeah, B.
Right. So, which of the following is key feature of holistic progress card? Focus on rote memorization, participatory and learner-centric approach, emphasizes standardized testing, or prioritizing grades over learning.
B option P. They are saying B.
B option.
Again, yes, participatory and learner-centric. Absolutely. We are not focusing on grades.
yes.
What is the purpose of the portfolio section in a holistic progress card? Just now we were talking about this. Like, I think someone said that we have been doing it for a long time.
To track the progress and reflect on the learning.
C, yeah. Option C.
Yes, to track the progress and reflect. So you can see that how important the portfolio is, making a portfolio is. It really makes the life, it reduces the stress. My God, 13 new messages. Okay, it's coming there. Okay. Who should be involved in the development of the holistic progress card?
Teachers, parents, students,
It's all the
everybody.
stakeholders, all the
all the
stakeholders, because it is a collaborative reflection.
reflection.
It's a collaborative reflection of the peer, the parent, teachers, and the self. What is the benefit of using a holistic report card, progress card? Simplifies grading and reporting, provides a comprehensive picture of student learning, increases competition among students, reduces teacher workload.
Option B.
Comprehensive
Option
student
B.
learning.
Yeah, right. How often should a holistic progress card be updated?
Every month,
Semi-annually, quarterly, annually, continuously throughout the year.
continuously
I
throughout
think
the year.
throughout the year.
Yes,
Throughout the year.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
It should be throughout the year.
throughout the year.
What should be the focus of holistic progress card?
Holistic development of the child.
Option
Yeah.
C.
A
Physically,
holistic
mentally,
holistic
emotionally.
progress card. What should be the progress?
Option C,
what should
cognitive,
we
affective,
focus?
and
Academic,
psychomotor domains.
co-curricular. It's a C, the cognitive,
C.
effective, and psychomotor development.
Psychomotor.
It includes the 360-degree holistic development, right? So it includes the cognitive, affective, and the psychomotor. Who can benefit from using a holistic progress card?
All the stakeholders.
All stakeholders.
All the stakeholders,
All
all
the
the stakeholders, I think. And it is a kind of an achievement for a teacher also, I feel. What is the role of
Yes.
self-assessment in the holistic progress card?
Hmm?
To reflect
What
on
is the
learning and
role
set
of
goals.
self-assessment?
I think it is C, to integrate, reflect
To
on
reflect
learning
on
and
learning
goals.
and set goals.
Set goals.
To reflect on learning and set goals?
Yes.
Because if I assess myself and I give myself maybe 7 out of 10, so I know why I have given 7 out of 10. So I know my areas to be to improve, to work on, and I should set a goal of mine that, okay, I have to achieve this. So that is the reflect on learning and set goal. How can technology enhance the implementation of a holistic progress card? By providing a platform for collaboration and feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. We are bang on to that. Correct, correct, correct. So implementation is teacher training and orientation. As ma'am said, Shutapa ma'am said that orientation is very important. We have to do a lot of hand-holding, orientation, sensitization to the teacher, because unless and until teachers are taken into consideration, they are being made, they are sensitized, the training is done, HPC they won't be able to justify HPC. Use of digital HPC formats, regular interaction with parents, because unless and until you regularly interact with the parent, you won't be able to understand their socio-emotional development or whatever is happening in their personal life. Integration with classroom activities, sharing best practices across schools. So the conclusion is a shift from how much did the child score to how is the child growing as a whole human being. Do we all agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a shift, but it's of course a mammoth task, a humongous work, because there are huge amount of challenges that we have to come across our way to, so that is how the whole thing is there. Any questions, anything you want to? I think today we had a very interesting session. It should be,
Interesting and
it should be interactive. It should be HPC along with the parental problem.
Parental stress management, parental management, sub
So
everything.
it was a collaborative webinar.
Exactly. Many topics were there. कि क्या करें exactly.
But it was a very nice and interactive session, I believe.
Yeah.
We had a wonderful time of, exchanging a lot of knowledge and ideas, because I believe that then only the good learning happens. I think good ideas comes when
Very
it is
true.
a
Very
both
true.
way traffic.
And from
both way of
exactly
traffic.
like we were, I believe, 40 plus brains. So when every brain is working, so a lot of ideas comes.
Exactly,
Yes.
exactly.
Yes.
And something very best
Fruitful.
happens.
Fruitful.
Yes.
Yes.
Some ideas.
Absolutely, absolutely. So Skill Veda is doing wonderful job. So now we have given Twinkle ma'am a lot of work,
Ideas. A lot of ideas.
So
And one
now
more
she's going to
thing,
conduct.
Twinkle ma'am, I would like to appreciate your posts very much, because she keeps posting the activities that are done in her
Correct,
school, and I
correct,
really
correct.
appreciate them, because the way it is done, It's wonderful, and
Wonderful,
it is
wonderful.
absolutely in line with what NEP and NCF is saying.
We
don't
are
have
we
to-
are following
Absolutely.
NEP only. We are following NEP in our
Yes, so
school
we don't
only.
have to take stress that we have to manage our social media.
No, I am not doing. So as I told you, I am not doing for the branding and promotion. But
That
yes,
is what I'm
we
saying. That
want to make aware it to the parents and other people. Yeah, what we are doing exactly in our
so
school
this is
and how
this
it
is
is
what I'm
different from
saying.
others.
This is what I'm saying. That this is exactly the answer to the question that was being raised. That it is
They were not talking
social
about
media.
only one or two schools. They were talking about
In general,
many other
in
schools
general.
which are doing
But
for
you
promotion
can make
only.
it. You can make it. I mean, if you're
Yeah, of
placed,
course. See, if you are willing to do it, you can do it. I agree to it. But yes, there are challenges also. Again, Sutapa ma'am, it's not that always easy.
no,
There
it's
are
not easy. I
managements.
can understand, because I had to do a lot to convince my this
Yes,
thing.
and there
The
are
even being
managements who
yeah.
are not ready to accept the new things. They're not ready to accept. Like
But
Twinkle ma'am
when they get likes,
understands.
but when they get likes on the Facebook, they do come to understand that yes, what the principal is doing is right.
Correct. Once you can just enforce to make them do it, you see the difference. You
So
can see the difference.
you can just take it as a experiment. Let's do it like this.
Yes,
It's
yes.
the way how you
Instead of
convince.
telling them ki let's do it, we can say that
Ah,
yes, one thing can be done as an experiment. That
yes.
way,
And
yeah, because
I
you need
want
to
to
have
add,
a different way of convincing the management.
Yeah,
Right.
Poonam
and
ji,
ma'am,
you
I
want to
want
Cannot
to
say
add,
something?
you cannot
yeah,
lock horns all the time. You cannot lock
Yes,
horns, but yes.
yes,
and sometimes if
yes.
we are looking for some new ideas, so we always go for social media, that what other schools are doing, so that we can also
Huh.
adapt the same.
That's a motivation type of motivation which we are doing
Yeah,
for
yes,
others
yeah,
actually.
Yeah, because
AI is better. AI is better.
I think we have a lot of interaction and information.
आज सेशन खत्म ही नहीं
आज
होने
तो
वाला है. आज तो टाइम कहाँ से निकल गया? I could understand only.
anyone has any query, please you can ask.
Yes, we can have a talk. But it was wonderful, Chutapa ma'am, Poonam ji, and lot others, Virendra sir. It was a wonderful session, and thank you so much. Even I learned so many things from you all. So it was being wonderful thing. Thank you, Twinkle ma'am, as
Thank you,
always.
Jani ji, for your time and
Thank
efforts.
you,
And thank you,
ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you. It was a wonderful and very informative session, and it was my first experience with you, and it was really wonderful.
Thank you,
Thank you
Virendra ji.
so much.
Thanks a
yeah.
Thank
lot
you
for
so
your
Thank you
much.
time.
so much. It was really a great experience to interact.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Poonam ji.
Thank you.
Thank
It
you,
was a
Devjani
great
ji.
experience for me.
Yeah,
And we
same
are
here.
Okay.
expecting some more session like this in future
Definitely,
also.
we are planning.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, Ruchi ji, we will
Because
plan
she comes up with lot of ideas. And now we have given more fruit to that.
more. And you all have to join that sessions, which I will do. in
Yes,
future.
absolutely.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot
Thank you
for
so
joining
much.
us.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, and
Thank
looking
you.
forward for more. Thank
Yeah,
you. Bye-bye.
definitely.